Today we are going to present to you on Butler theory, tourism area life cycle. This is actually our second assignment for TLC of Malacca. So it is very beneficial if you could pay a little bit more attention. And so this Butler model is basically based on marketing and business product life cycle, which is also applicable to tourism destinations such as resorts. It has 7 stages. And so the first one is exploration, involvement, development, consolidation, stagnation, declination, and rejuvenation. And so I have a little tip here. If you wish to remember these 7 stages, you can use this acronym, which is Encik Izham dah cakap suruh dia rasa. E, Encik is for exploration, I is for involvement, dah for development, consolidation is cakap, and then suruh is stagnation, dia is for declination, rasa for rejuvenation. Encik Izham dah cakap suruh dia rasa. This is just suggestion. If you have another acronym, you can use it to your preference. And then this is the TLC stages, which starts from exploration all the way to rejuvenation and declination. As the stages go on, the number of tourists also increases, except for stagnation stage and declination stage. And so the first one is exploration. What happened here is that it attracts specific type of tourists. The tourists are attracted to this place because of its physical outlook. And then at this stage, there are no interaction between tourists and local residents, and also no basic tourism facilities. And then the next one is involvement stage. Why it called involvement? Because at this stage there are interaction between tourists and local residents, and so because of this interaction, the local resident may offer to provide homestay or lodging for tourists. And the third part is development. At this stage, we can see the obvious development of tourism destination. The first one, we can see it start to have advertising, and then we can also start to define the tourism area. And then the third one is outside stakeholders start to put in their money into this tourism destination. For example, international hotel like Hilton start to put their money on such specific particular tourism destination. And then at this stage, there are better provision of tourism facilities, such as there are toilet provided, maybe more prayer room, and then the tourist map, and then maybe in terms of transportation accessibility also better. And also at this stage, the most obvious thing is that the number of tourists is actually more than local residents. This create annoyance among local residents, even though local residents also have some benefit from tourism activity. And the next part will be consolidation, stagnation, declination, rejuvenation will be presented by my partner and teammates Najwa and Mirza for the case study.